Hello, today is June 17, Friday, NQ price action. So after the market opened, the price went up till to the upper channel here on the 4,000 tick chart. And after got a rejection on the top here, then price went through the moving average 21. And then now the price is testing the 50 SMA line here. Now the price is pulling back to the moving average line. And on this one here, 800 tick chart, we have this channel here formed while it was crossing the moving averages. This signal bar here, it was a bit bigger bar and the price went away from the moving average and the channel, so it wasn't a good entry and didn't do a retest, so there wasn't an entry on that one. And on the second channel here, after the price broke through with a nice signal bar, we had this VWAP line here. So anytime I see a VWAP line close or in front of the move, then or any other moving average line or any other structure that I think that this is gonna bounce, that I try not to enter those setups right after the signal bar here. You need to be able to have a clear path on the move. So if you have something on the way, then you need to be looking for some fail attempts. So if you see a bounce from here, and then if this move doesn't work, then on the second try, then this move can go through. So you always need to pay attention in front of the move. Is it clear, or is this anything that is gonna prevent to go through that move? So on this here, since I see that VWAP here right on the signal bar here, and after that they did a bounce from moving average line, so pretty much the price now reversing by the bulls so far has a strong push up going through the VWAP and get back into the channel and also above the moving average line. So usually after we see a move like this, the play out is like a strong push and then pull back into the moving average line, and from here they may do a trap or just a bounce and then the price continue up. This is the expected move from bull. So I am expecting something like this, or if I see a failure here, then the price, I see that it goes back under the moving average with a signal bar, then I may rethink this move here a continuation, because we already tested VWAP before, and on the second time it can be a lot easier to went through this line here. So that is pretty much the thought process, what I am thinking before this move here. Okay, so they close inside that channel here and above the moving average line. Okay, after seeing this red bar here, it is a really nice rejection bar here, and the price now went under the 25 moving average. So after I see this, then I entered this trade for a rejection from that moving average and the channel structure. Okay, I see the wick is on this 2 bar here, but as long as the price stays under the moving average, it should be still fine. Okay, that's a nice signal bar there. He got a nice rejection and went through the moving average line and took all this out here, and it went through the VWAP right now. Almost reached my first target there.
Target filled.
Okay, first target is reached. I decided to take the second
Target
contract
filled.
on this level here on the 4,000 chart. Okay, right here after the down move from that upper channel, now we went back up and now we are pulling back into the moving average. This is a 50 and the 21 SMA on the 4,000 chart, and on the 800 chart now we are getting ready to close on the VWAP and the 50 SMA line here. We already went through the 25 moving average line, but the overall move is up move, very strong push, and
Order filled.
I really like this strength crossing this level here, trend line here. And we have the moving averages right around here. it can be a bounce area, and we still have some room from the top if the price is gonna test and then continue down. I really wanna make this break even as soon as possible, because this trade was somewhat may reverse anytime, because we are on the top of the channel area here, so you gotta be really careful. And I would like to take both contracts there.
Target filled.
Okay, first one is reached,
Target filled.
second one is out. Okay, after we got rejection on the top of the channel here, the second time, then we are under this trend line as well. Now the price is testing the VWAP here, and we broke this level here, and we got a rejection over here from the 25 moving average line. So the price is now reversing and with a down move. You see some buyout here, and here is the 50 SMA line. It can be a bounce from here and may test this 25 moving average there. I see some buyers here, and I want to see if the price goes up, what the price is gonna do on the moving average here. Okay, it's a nice green bar there for up. Okay, another push there. Now it is testing the moving average and the upper channel here. We are also testing the bottom of that trend line here on the 4000 chart. But we are on the top of the channel here and under the trend line here right now. So any signal that shows this up move weakness, then I can enter for a down move.
Order filled.
Okay, price is nicely rejected, and I entered as soon as I see that the price is going down. It is a bit early entry there, but now the VWAP is already went through the VWAP line here, the price. Okay, testing and broke the 50 SMA on the 4000 chart. And the price nicely went through this level here. Just like this one here.
Target filled.
Okay, first target is reached. May do a retest on the VWAP area here before a continuation down. This move can have potential more go down on the 4000 chart here. They may retest here, so I want to let this trade run a little bit and see if the price is gonna continue down. Okay, the price is second time testing the VWAP and the upper channel and the 25 as moving average line. I'm getting ready to kill this trade. If that bar goes through, it is gonna stop me out, but already is I didn't like this bar printed like that. It's over the moving average, and we have a wick on the bottom here. Okay, after seeing that bar here with a hammer, and the price now is under back the moving average line, so I am still let this trade run a bit, and if I see this bar strong and then went through this level, it may continue down still. I want this level be taken out. So far it's a really nice bar, and we are under 50 SMA on the 4000. The bar is not closed yet. Okay, now it is retesting now, so the price usually should continue down from here after a test, but we have that moving average a little bit higher. Because of that, price may still come back inside and test that moving average. Yeah, this price action, it looked like this right here is gonna flush through here, but still right now price is not going too fast, and now price is going sideways, and there was that big push there sudden push and went through that moving average line. And I'm getting ready to kill this trade if I see a strong price action here over that moving average. That green bar is not a good sign there. It closed like that above the moving average here. Okay, price still jumping from the moving average. Testing the VWAP right now. I want to see if this is gonna be a two-fail attempt from the VWAP. Okay, this bar is not too bad. I see some rejection there. And I bring my stop right above that VWAP here and make it close again. Now from here, if the price needs to go down, it needs to continue from here now. If the price comes back up again, usually it goes on the other way. That's why I'm making my stop pretty tight there.
Stop filled.
Yeah, and stop me out there. So after a big push here on the breaking that upper channel of the 4000 chart, I was thinking maybe this is a break retest and then continue up. So I'm kind of thinking after this green bar here, a pullback, maybe a start of that move here. So that is why I entered over there for a long position there, because after I see this wick here from this level and price went over the moving average line, and this is the first time it tried and it got rejected, and second time it is trying now. But I don't want to see the price went through this level here.
Stop filled.
So I exited my position there and waiting this bar to close. If I see this a red signal bar, then I reverse my position here. Yeah, that is a pretty good red signal bar here, crossing this level here. So I enter short there, because after this momentum push, price may do another leg here, but this doesn't happen all the time. So when you see a reversal, then you can take advantage of that. We still have this moving average line here and 50 SMA here. Yeah, that was a nice push down.
Target filled.
Okay, first target is reached. Now testing that 21 moving average here. So it can be a bounce after here.
Target filled.
So I exit my second position right over there too. Yeah, so after this pullback to the channel here on the 4000, and after a nice big bar here breaking this structure through, now I'm looking for a pullback into the moving average line for a expected third leg of this move here. So here is the channel. We got the moving average here.
Order filled.
Okay, I got in. So I really wanted to get in. Sometimes when the price on the move, it may not just touch the moving average. It may get close and then take off, because this bar here is pretty strong on the 4000 chart here. So I wanted to catch that move before it goes away. I like this wick here and on this green bar here from that moving average. Okay, right after here, the price needs to continue more up. So if it's gonna close under the moving average line, then it is gonna reverse from here or gonna go sideways. So this is the measured move here. It may go up to the point here, but first this moving average needs to hold and need to be able to price goes away from this zone here. Okay, it's now trying to break that moving average. Okay, we have that red bar and the doji bar here. So I make that break even again.
Stop filled. Stop
Yeah, that
filled.
stopped me out. Okay, now that bar is pretty strong. It broke through the moving average. And on the 4000 chart here, we got also a red bar printed. Now we are testing the bottom channel here. And we are top on that moving average. Okay, it went through that 50 SMA also. Now broke that channel here. Now testing the moving average here on the 4K. Okay, another red bar,
Order filled.
strong bar printed. And I decided to enter after this red bar here, after that 50 SMA break. And also this trend line level here is broken. Okay, I decided to take the one contract on the bottom level of this zone here. Okay, keep bouncing from that level. So I just moved that
Target
tick.
filled.
Okay, first target is filled, bringing down my stop loss limit here,
Stop filled.
and it stopped me out there. Yeah, that's a nice green bar there, went through the moving average line, and now it is testing that bottom channel on the 4000, now retesting that moving average on 800. I like that wick here, show some buyers here buying this up from that moving average lines.
Order filled. Target filled.
Okay, I took one off on that trend line here, and now the price went through that trend line. Now we are inside back on that channel on the 4000 chart. The price is looking pretty strong. Okay, move my stop.
Target filled.
Okay, took my second target off on that top level here. After a strong green bar here crossing that moving average, we got this red bar with a wick on the top. Now we have this nice red bar breaking through this
Order
level
filled.
here. So I entered that once I saw that, and we are under the moving average here. So that's pretty much, I have that channel here, and this right here is the level line pretty much. Yeah, that is what I was seeing. Now we have this 50 SMA. The price may bounce from here, so you need to be watch out for that. Yeah, this bar is not too great with a wick on the bottom here like that. Okay, I bring down my stop because I really don't want if the price went over here, because after this move breakthrough here, price needs to continue from this level. But again, still we still above that 50 SMA, and we still have this bullish move previously. This red bar was nice after that wick here. Didn't take my first target there. Now the price is bouncing from the 50 SMA. It may stop me out there.
Stop filled. Stop
Okay, I'm
filled.
out. Now I'm thinking maybe a bounce from this level here, or after a sudden jump like this.
Order filled.
So I entered another one right on that top, and I really don't want to see this price above that level here.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop me out. Now testing that 25 moving average. Yeah, right after that price went down again,
Order filled.
and after see that rejection from that moving average, then I re-entered again. I should have just put my stop right above that level moving average a little bit more, but this bar seemed so strong, I thought it's gonna go through, because what I wanted to see a touch and then the rejection, I wanted to see some type of wick here on the retest, but it didn't happen. Okay, now testing the 50 SMA again on the 4000 chart. Okay, I like this red bar here printed. Okay, nice red bars
Target
here.
filled.
Yeah, my first target is out. Price nicely went through that 50 SMA. Still not close yet. Okay, I want to keep some of my gains here, bring down my stop, and raise my target.
Target filled.
Okay, second target filled. And usually may bounce from this Vwap here and this level zone here. Yeah, this was a nice drop here, and it bounced on that Vwap zone here to the moving average.